Looking for the best tankless water heater to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Ronin 80,000 BTU. Tankless water heater is an affordable and compact gas-powered option that provides reliable hot water. With a flow rate of 3.6 gallons per minute, GPM, and an 80,000 BTU capacity, it can supply hot water to 2 to 3 points of use, making it perfect for small homes, apartments, or cabins. This unit delivers hot water on demand, so there's no waiting for it to heat up, saving you both time and energy. It features 4 preset temperature modes: dish, fruit, elderly, and infant, making it easy to select the right temperature with just a push of a button. The Ronin water heater also comes with an exhaust pipe, so you won't need to buy one separately. Its oxygen-free copper tank helps reduce heat loss and improve efficiency. However, be sure to follow local regulations and have a licensed professional handle the installation. For small households or secondary living spaces, the Ronin water heater offers solid performance at an affordable price. Number 4. REM 18 kilowatts 240 volts. The REM 18 kilowatts tankless electric water heater is a rock-solid mid-range option that provides steady hot water for small to medium households. With a flow rate up to 4.4 gallons per minute, it's ideal for single shower use or smaller homes looking to cut back on energy bills. Featuring advanced self-modulating technology, this unit adjusts energy use in real time, which can lead to up to 50% energy savings compared to traditional tank heaters. And with dual copper heating elements, it's built for durability and quick maintenance. Installation is simple thanks to bottom-mounted 3/4-inch NPT water connections and a digital LED thermostat that provides precise temperature control. The compact design allows for flexible installation options even under sinks. If you need an affordable, efficient solution that doesn't skimp on features, the REM 18 kilowatts model is a great pick for homes that want the benefits of a tankless heater without the bulk or high upfront cost. Number 3. Eosmart Eco24. The Eosmart Eco24 is perfect for homes in colder climates where incoming water temperatures can dip as low as 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed with patented self-modulating technology, this heater intelligently adjusts energy use to ensure maximum efficiency, achieving an impressive 99.8% energy efficiency rating. Capable of delivering nearly 3 gallons per minute under those tough conditions, it's ideal for homes with high demands like jacuzzi tubs or multiple showers running at once. Its compact design not only saves space, but also features a sleek digital temperature control that lets you dial in your ideal water temperature in 1-degree increments. Made in the USA, the Eco24 brings robust performance to homes looking to balance hot water needs with energy savings. If you want high performance in a small, smart, and efficient package, the Eosmart Eco24 is a fantastic choice, especially for colder regions or homes with luxury water needs. Number 2. Steel Ultron Tempra 36 Plus. The Steel Ultron Tempra 36 Plus combines German engineering with smart technology to deliver a seamless hot water experience. Its advanced flow control system ensures your water stays at the exact temperature you set, even when multiple taps are in use. Ideal for eco-conscious families, this heater boasts 99% efficiency, helping you reduce water heating costs by up to 34%. Whether it's back-to-back showers or a full household rush, the Tempra 36 Plus keeps everyone comfortable without ever running cold. Beyond performance, it's also designed for convenience. The sleek, compact unit fits easily in tight spaces and requires no venting, making installation a breeze. The digital temperature display allows precise control, while its auto-modulation feature ensures it uses only the power needed, avoiding energy waste. If you're looking for a smart, reliable, and energy-efficient water heater for your entire home, the Tempra 36 Plus is a smart investment that brings German precision into your everyday life. Number 1. Reni RU199. If you're looking for a tankless water heater that delivers high performance and unmatched reliability, the Reni RU199 is a top-tier choice designed for larger households needing a powerful and efficient water heating solution. With a flow rate of up to 11 gallons per minute, it can handle up to 7 appliances at once, ensuring everyone gets hot water, whether it's for showers, laundry, or dishes. Plus, Reni's Circlogic technology allows for faster access to hot water by working with an external pump, reducing that annoying wait time at the tap. What truly sets this model apart is its super high-efficiency condensing system and Energy Star certification, meaning it only heats water when needed, helping you save energy and space. With a long-lasting heat exchanger backed by a 15-year warranty, you get peace of mind alongside performance. There's even an optional Wi-Fi module so you can monitor and control it from anywhere, if you're upgrading your home's hot water system and want one of the most advanced reliable heaters on the market. The Reni RU199 is worth every drop. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best tankless water heaters. Whether you're after powerful performance, sleek design, or maximum energy savings, one of these heaters is sure to fit your home's needs. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.